did so well. Ang galing mo talaga. It's so romantic. Exactly what I wanted. It makes me feel like I'm falling in love all over again. Oh, speaking of which, I have to show you something. Look what I found. Oh, hi. I was just telling Lav that I found my wedding ring, di ba? Ito kasing si Tyrone, he lost his. Disappointing. I told him na may mga bagay talaga na hindi napapalitan. Katulad ng wedding ring at asawa.